Training for and strategies for psychological counseling of pediatrics that related actually training how to give the training how to psychological counseling given for pediatrics. This much of day we are seeing adolescents related, what are the issues for them, but especially children's related we want to know about the psychological counseling related. First, this topic we can see one by one. First one is introduction. What India, you know about India have the second wave of COVID-19. India have mainly problem for that, especially third wave will be should be affecting especially saying to kids related. So side effect will be COVID-19. We have faced the test and positive, like so we have facing the issues for them, you know very well. I mean India may this like issues happening for them. Worldwide, for example, COVID-19 has the lowest rate of incidence compared with the symptoms of among children compared with adults. Adult के बारे में children's के rate कम है because of worldwide for them. Incident rate is very less for them. What are the problem facing for the pandemic related condition? What are the problem facing for especially children? First one is fear. If you have any children's um, they're getting fear what is happening, what is they don't know, get immediately they get fear for them, worry and sadness they happening for them, and anger and stress and confused because of now they have this is what is going on surrounding they don't know. As a adult they know very well, but children's बच्चे को they don't know anything what is happening, what is the what is surrounding, they confused for them, why school is not opening, why you are sitting in the home, like for example brothers sisters somebody's in your home, they you know very well they can understand what they're asking the question to you, why doing this like happen, why we not go, why they're no opening the shop, why there this like pandemic situation happen, they don't have little bit confused, stress, anger, fear, worry, sadness will be they can see for them. Next one is next one is psychological issues due to COVID-19. What are the psychological issues? First one is they have trauma related stress there due to any trauma related. Next one, attention seeking behavior. They never to attend that. For example, online classes means they never proper attend that. Their behavior changes will be good. Next one is the pre-exciting mental, physically and developmentally problem they're facing for them, and loss of interest to school work में they have never do कोई भी घर में स्कूल के काम में कुछ नहीं करेंगे बच्चे, they never academic affect their attitudes never do to further. Next one is always irritating, frustration, confused, aggressive behavior. Sometimes they can show you or घर में they can show for them unhealthy diet pattern. Sometimes they have not proper maintained the healthy diet pattern, they are skipping the foods, and they don't know proper timing to eat the foods. For example, school timings, they're not taking the proper time to eat food, but they have not proper lessons, lots of interest. Sometimes they never do interest study, any type of studies or any activities like because of they know mingle with the friends, they always sitting with lonely in the home. That is one of the problem for them. Next psychological issues for due to COVID-19, for example, crying sometimes. छोटे बच्चे ना they crying, irritation, poor school performance. Already I told for them avoiding online classes, skip हो रहे हैं because of sleeping. They're not proper sleeping habit because of their sleeping habit also disturbance will be happen, difficult to attention concentration in the class, avoiding the activities for them. So concentration this life of we can see is apart from physical headache, body pain, sometimes थोड़ा बड़ा बच्चे है ना they have alcohol tobacco drug abuse uses, they have a negative basis chances is the next one is personal hygiene and social distance, loneliness, impact of career. Sometimes they have what is 10th standard plus 2 student, they're thinking what is my career, what is happening to him. The more depend upon the parents, like sometimes they have always happening for them. Next one is mental health problem. What are the mental health problem they facing for children? For example, trauma related to stress they happening for them, anxiety and depression, sometimes more getting anxiety and depression to them. Next one is attention seeking behavior. Attention seeking behavior, they have never attend the any, never listen your words or never listen the online classes. They are diverting mind like mental health disorder. Sometimes issues will be happening for the substance abuse, misusing alcohol, any drug abuse, misusing choti bache nahi bade bache. Violence and changes in the mood. Sometimes they're doing violence and changing the mood for the sleeping disturbance. Already told compulsory a human being 8 hours they want to sleep. So at least children's like 10 hours they have sleeps. I guess they have sleeping disturbance. Daytime sleeping, nighttime they're watching the TVs or mobile, the type of happening for them. Next one is emotional problem. They cannot share the uh, idea. For example, friend koi bhi nahi hai ghar mein, so they never understand the feelings to other, like so that like emotion problem they're facing for them. And sometimes the problem related to memory, they're not to concentrate the memory and thinking and concentration for them. Sometimes they hitting, frustration, biting. Sometimes the type of activity like see for children doing for the basic personal hygienic, they not maintain the grooming, like say, basic brushing, bathing daily, that they're not doing proper, like that thoughts about death. Sometimes bade bache, suppose corona they happen means we go for death, like they're thinking that like happening for. Next one is significance of training abilities. What are the training ability? For example, staffness scheme, what is the leader? For example, first one is they want to present pressure, negative mental health order. For example, fulfill the roles. What is your role? What is the role you want to understand as a staff nurse? What is the role for you? How to maintain this type of pressure situation, negative mental health you want to throw out for them. That type of first staff nurse care required. After only you care for the children. Next one is adding the age of this for cannot for example, your single days you cannot changing for this type of pandemic situation. Within one day like, we cannot change for anything. So you can understand the situation, the corona has not changing within one day, so understand the situation. So how to you want to handle further. Next one is direct and recognition. For you want to longer time, you want to recognition, you are working as a staff nurse, your future you can understand, you can basic knowledge, you want to skill develop. Okay, future like this like of this is like how to you want to precaution taking for them, how to protect for the children. They know your basic knowledge you can develop. This is how your occupation is a staff nurse, you understand. So as a staff nurse you want to how to your capacity increase for them. Next one is you are exchanging your conversation. For example, proper expert explanation conversation, accurate data related. For example, all health workers you want to change your ideas and sharing your conversation because of the proper you want to make the group issue for them, you can maintain for them. Next one is support. Main is baby, youngsters, teenagers, groups and family members, they want to mainly support for the especially sensational changes due to this pandemic situation. Next one is the pandemic situation. The youngsters mainly what happened. Sometimes they have for them pandemic isolated for them, the regular day-to-day activity will be affecting for them temps, and they have mentally they have need emergency sometimes care also. So that type of some care also government will be providing for them. Next one is what are the support for them. First one is NCPCR, National Commission for the Protection of Child Rights, is the providing the telecounseling will be given for children. Another one is MVEDMA. Okay, so sanitizing action of mental health and vulnerability throughout the emotional development necessary acceptance. This is a toll-free number will be given for them. Psychosocial mental support will be given for especially children affecting during कोई भी children affect हो गया कोरोना के बारे में, उसके बारे में they have giving for pandemic addition given for the addition they given keep the children physically safe during COVID-19 pandemic situation for the from the importance of care about the in emotional health that regarding the supporting protect your children. How to you protect your children, this is very important for them. First one is understand the reaction of pandemic. First you want to understand for the children, they have stressful events, they have irritability, they have difficult to self care problem, eating problem, behavior problem. So empathy, sympathy you want to show for your children's first thing. Next, so second one is supporting protect for your children. For example, you are your presence of sensitive and responsive caregiver. For example, as a primary recovery is you want to support for the children, for them as an adult either. Suppose you are a brother or sister, you are your children, you have सपोज आपके घर में एक छोटी बच्चे है, आप सपोर्ट करना पड़ेंगे. सो पेरेंट्स आर नॉट अवेलेबल, सपोज कोई भी घर में नहीं है, तो कोई भी सर्वेंट इधर, सो सर्वेंट के बाद में फ्रेंड्स के, पेरेंट्स के, they all everybody they sincerely care about health protective for the pandemic situation they want to. Next one is social distance should be not be in the social isolation. Only social distance want to maintain but not socially isolation. Social distance of course सबको मालूम है, we have maintained the need of quality of time caregiver to maintain the social system, but we want to connect with the social issue. For example, you are writing the letter, online video calling, chatting, WhatsApp, for example mail, etc. That like you can do for the connecting with other people, friends or family members or your relations for them. Next one is support and protective for your children. For example, provide age of appropriate information. For example, children have lack of adequate knowledge. आपकी तरह knowledge नहीं है छोटे बच्चे के, so आप explain करना पड़ेंगे छोटे बच्चे के what is the problem for them, stressful how to handle for them, and they you want to maintain the children, that is a very thing for them. Example, kids के बच्चे के बारे में क्या है, books read करने के, website के कोरोना के बारे में website you want to show for them, hand washing के बारे में राइम से, imaginary stories tell about the virus, public safety क्या है, that regarding disinfectant, house fun games, draw the picture of virus, this like छोटी बच्चे को unnecessary stress के बारे में reduce करने के आप example to provide the age appropriate according to age ways आपको इसी तरह care देना पड़ेगा. Next, create this a safe physical and emotional environment. For example, first use the three R. First one is reassurance, routine and regulation. Reassurance means what? Safety. First बच्चे को आपको safety इधर, आप कोई tension मत करो, you are in safety. So you want to give the guarantee. Regular bedtime, meals time, daily schedule, life में क्या है, playing के सारा plan करना पड़ेगा. Because of the children don't know what we want to do from morning to night. Next one is support the children for development regulation. Regulation का आपको development करना पड़ेगा बच्चे के, you want to give for them children stress के बारे में activity, stress response system, how to want to do, how to their response, you want to care about the children for the exam. I know they might have feel बच्चे को feeling क्या है आप समझ होना पड़ेंगे. Same time बच्चे को थोड़ा भी एक्सरसाइज, ब्रीथिंग एक्सरसाइज, सूर्य नमस्कार, फॉर एग्जांपल माइंडफुलनेस एक्सरसाइज, मेडिटेशन एक्टिविटीज आपको टीच करना पड़ेगा, स्लीपिंग रूटीन, डेली टाइमिंग टू ईट फॉर देम, दैट लाइक यू वांट टू फॉर देम. नेक्स्ट वन इस बच्चे को बाद फिजिकली फैमिली के कैन सबको बेसिक नीड्स सबको मालूम है, खाना चाहिए, शेल्टर चाहिए, क्लॉथ चाहिए, सो बेसिक नीड्स सारा कुछ सही होना पड़ेंगे. So that is a reassurance, routine and regulation for them. Next one is support and protective children. And next one is keep the children busy. आपके चिल्ड्रंस के घर में बच्चे को सारा को टाइम पे बिजी होना पड़ेंगे. क्या हम कहाँ से बिजी हो सकते हैं? बिकॉज आप हम बिजी नहीं करेंगे, कुछ काम नहीं करेंगे, हमको माइंड डाइवर्ट हो सकता है, गलत काम करेंगे, बस नेगेटिव थिंकिंग ज्यादा डेवलपमेंट हो सकते हैं. बिकॉज ऑफ यू आर सिटिंग अलोनलीनेस टाइम पे, तो उसके टाइम पे क्या है ना, आउटसाइड द प्लेइंग के आपके गार्डन इधर यू कैन प्ले फॉर द ब्लॉक पे, modeling, art, craft, music, what came, anything, instruments, what like you can play and enjoy full learning experience. For example, worry को कम करना पड़ेंगे. Talking about the pandemic, बार pandemic के बारे में बच्चों को बात मत करेंगे. For example, adolescents से father, mother in front of, don't talk with this, in front of with the children. Increase the children's self efficiency. For example, self efficiency के बच्चे के बारे में control करना पड़ेंगे. During the time of fear, anxiety हो सकते हैं children's, that's only they have facing the children's follow the safety guides, washing the hands, proper helping cooking, suppose cooking के मम्मी के थोड़ी help करने के, so बच्चे के बाद for example next one is writing of community. For example, writing the letter. For example, adult is for example six of friends sharing the extra suppliers, neighbors, that like activities are increasing the self efficiency for the children for them. Next one is create the opportunity for caregiver के बारे में opportunity for them which maybe take care themselves. For example, children's well-being, they take care themselves also internally. That is a very thing. For example, exercise, meditation, reading, outdoor activities, prayer, that like you can do for them to easily self care them. The social support you want to give and proper taking the rest also given for them. The mental health provide also important the adult to the very high level of stress to of their mental health challenge in this times. Seeking the professional help if you the children show the signification of trauma that to resolve the relative quickly. For example, emotional बच्चे के बिहेवियर के चेंज करना पड़ेगा, कहाँ से कह रहे हैं? फॉर एग्जांपल बच्चे की बात है, नाइट मिरर्स, जैसे नाइट सोने के टाइम पर नाइट मिररिज्म कोई बच्चे करेंगे, एंजाइटी दे, बच्चे के इंग्रेस अग्रेसिव बिहेवियर हो गया, रिग्रेस सेल्फ हार्म कुछ भी करेंगे, देखना पड़ेंगे बच्चे के, बिकॉज ऑफ नॉट सॉल्विंग द सपोर्ट, बिकॉज ऑफ सपोर्ट नहीं दे देंगे बच्चे को, दे हैव फील सैडनेस, सो मेंटल हेल्थ सपोर्ट देना पड़ेंगे, because of medicines they have how much you would take psychological support very important for them. therapy provide कुछ भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम है बच्चे को थेरेपी देना है, आप टेलीमेडिसिन कम्युनिकेशन यूटिलाइज करेंगे बच्चे को सोशल कॉन्टेक्ट में, सपोज को बच्चे को सपोर्ट देना पड़ेगा, ठीक है? दिस ऑल थिंग्स विल बी डूइंग फॉर देम. This is remaining, we'll see the next class. This all the reference for them for my this much of date yesterday classes and today classes for them. So thank you all of you. We'll see next classes.